Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. I know I missed a little video this week. It's just been a crazy week. I did try to record something for you guys, but during editing we realized that the audio was not working like at all, so we kind of just scratched that. And I figured today I would do like a double 2-for-1 little video. So I'm really excited to film this, but before I do get started, I also want to say welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, just don't forget to hit the little subscribe button. Also hit the little post notification bell, that way you are aware of any time that I do post anything that has to do with beauty, lifestyle, self-care, skincare, all that good stuff. I'm here for it. Also, I do want to continue to send my love, my positive vibes, many blessings to everyone out there. I hope that you guys are staying safe, healthy during these crazy times just in the world, period. There's so much negativity, there's so much stuff going on, and I don't know, I find myself sometimes dwelling in negativity, and I try to keep moving forward. So I hope you guys are doing the same. I love you guys so much, and again, thank you guys for all your love and support. Okay, so today, originally I was going to do just one BoxyCharm unboxing, but I went ahead and I got the premium BoxyCharm, so I figured I would do a 2-for-1. And in this particular video, I wanted to just kind of show the differences, go over the price points, and just see which one is the better box. I have been thinking about getting rid of the base box. I was going to do that, and I wanted to cancel it, but they told me that if I canceled it, then I would lose the Luxe membership, which is the upgrade to the base box. So I held off on it once again, and now I have both boxes, which are right here. So today we're gonna start with the unboxing for the base box. This one is $25 monthly subscription, and it's supposed to be 5 full-size products, anything from makeup to skincare, self-care, and it's supposed to average about $120. So this is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one started. Like always, here we go. The booklet, which actually came today, which hasn't been coming in the boxes lately, so I'm kind of happy it's here. This variation is number 2, and actually, you know what? I'm going to look up the weight of the box. I know a lot of people always ask me, and I will put it somewhere right here for you guys. That way you are aware of what the weight is. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I see in the box, I see something by Too Faced. This is it is concealer. I was gonna say foundation, but this is concealer. This is a super coverage Born This Way. This one retails at $29. It is in the shade Golden Beige. Now, another thing that I'm doing differently today is usually I do try on the products, but since I am doing 2 different boxes and I kind of already do have makeup on, I just figured it'd be too much to do in one video. So if you guys are interested in seeing anything in particular on the box, then let me know and I will review it or show you guys. This is what the packaging on this one looks like. I hope you guys can see. My lighting is kind of crazy. It is very dark right now, so yeah, I had to up the lights a little bit. So, oh, this is cute. Okay. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. All right, I thought this was foundation, so being that it is concealer, it kind of makes me a little nervous because right now I am very pale, and this is what the color on the foundation, on the concealer looks like. So it is a little bit dark. Maybe when I'm extremely tan, or you know, you might even actually be able to use this as foundation. The consistency feels nice. I usually do like Too Faced. I usually do like Too Faced products, so you know, I'm not against it. It actually does blend in pretty nice. But honestly, I feel like this is yeah, foundation, which is probably my fault because now that I think of it, I do think that I said that I needed like a darker color because I thought it was foundation, but it is what it is. Okay, moving on to the next thing here, we have something by Hydro Glow. Oh no, I'm sorry, Mind, Tan, Body, and Skin. This is called Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. This is what the packaging on this one looks like, and this one says that it retails at $44.95, and this one basically says greet the day with glowing skin. It's Hydro Glow Sleep Serum, instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time release multi-depth hydration. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Anyway, basically you put this on your skin when you go to bed, put this on your skin before your moisturizer, and it's actually just like a serum. I've never seen this or actually even heard of this brand, honestly, but let's go see. Smells a little funny, but I don't know. It's just like a little serum, not too oh, it actually is very light consistency. So it's not thick. Oh, actually, now that I spread it on my hand, it smells summery. It smells like coconut. It smells pretty good. I've never tried anything like this. I'm kind of excited to try this, so we shall see what this one works like. Moving on here, we have something by Clarins Paris, and this is the lip Perfector. This is a lipstick, I believe. And this one retails at $26 and it is in the shade Velvet Raspberry. So I did know that I was going to get this one in my box. And this is what the color looks like. It is very, very pretty. I'm not going to open it or swatch anything for you guys. I actually will put a little picture somewhere in here because I'm not going to open it or try it. I am going to put it in a giveaway. I feel like sometimes some lipsticks don't really do much for my skin complexion, and this is kind of one of them. And plus, I actually do have a lot of shades similar to this color that I really don't use as much, so I might as well give it to somebody that will use it. So I will put that in the giveaway, so just be aware. With that being said, make sure you are subscribing to the channel, guys. Subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, and once I hit that 1K, I will be doing a massive giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Next thing here, we have something by the brand Realer, and this is the I Am Inspiring Definer Brown Pencil. This one retails at $16. It just says that it's long-lasting micro tip pencil that allows you to create individual like hairs on your eyebrows. So it doesn't say a shade anywhere. All it says is that it's certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, waterproof, and vegan. So those are all pluses in my books. I don't know if there is a particular shade for this. Alright, so it's very, very thin. It's like a little matte pencil, pretty much. One side has your pencil, which let's see how much. Oh, okay, this is actually a good shade for me because I usually don't like when they send me light eyebrow pencils. But this is like an espresso color. I don't see it anywhere on here, the color, but that's what it looks like. And on the other side, we have the little brush for your eyebrows, which is nice to also have. And it's nice and thin, so this is actually a nice little product. I'm actually pretty excited to use this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one to the side. And last but not least, in this base box, we have the Violet Voss Essential 2 palette. This is the 10 eyeshadow pans. Different hues for your everyday, and this one retails at $36. So let me go ahead and open this one up. This is pretty. Okay, so just like the other, I'm gonna try to cover the mirror. There is a large mirror there. The colors are beautiful. It has some really pretty purple colors. I don't know if it's focusing, guys. I hope it is. Okay, but anyway, the colors are beautiful. I just feel like I should give this away as well. I do have another palettes, you know, kind of this look-alike, and I don't like to just accumulate stuff. I'm trying to just be more giving and everything like that. So anyway, this is gonna go in the giveaway box, so stay tuned for that. If I find any pictures of any swatches, I will put them somewhere around here, that way you guys can see. I don't know how new it is. Sometimes when the palettes are a little bit newer, usually you don't find like the swatches, so I'll try to see what I can find for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this box up. That is everything in the box. Okay guys, so the total of the box is $151.95. It's not bad at all considering you're only paying $25 for the base box. Like always, I just kind of want to run through my number 1 to 5. First one in the box that I do love and would be completely beautiful and essential if you don't have one already is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. The colors are absolutely beautiful, and I do know that they perform very well because I did get one in their box last year. Next, I do like this one a lot. Like I said, I just don't like that it's the concealer, not the foundation, but I could still work with this, and right now I am the lightest that I usually am, so I could definitely benefit from this later on. Third, the pencil, I really like how thin it is, how delicate it is, and I do love the color, so I know I'm really gonna like this one. The serum smells amazing. I love that you can just kind of, it's very nice and soft, and you can just put it on before you moisturize or before you hit the bed, and then it has hyaluronic acid. It's for all skin types, so I really like this one. And last but not least, is the color, just mostly because of the shade that's not gonna really match my skin too well, but it is really pretty. I'm throwing this one in the giveaway and this one as well. So I'm gonna move on to the next box. Alright, and this one is the BoxyCharm Premium box, so it is a little bit larger. It came with this big hole in there. I have no idea what they were doing. They're probably like stabbing them or something like that. I don't know what's going on out there in the world. But anyway, this one looks like this, and hopefully I have a little card. Let's see. No. Okay, guys. Let's try that again. This is the premium box right here. I did go ahead and open it in the tape before, and I was looking for the freaking oh my god, I can never think, the little card, and it's not in here. Of course, I literally just said that for the base box. This one does not have it in here, so I went ahead and looked up what I had in here, and I found out how much the prices were, but that way I can let you guys know. So I will share that just like the other one, I didn't mention it, the theme of it is supposed to be like spa, glamping, sunbathing, yoga, slumber. It's kind of like fallish. Like, I know it's not fall yet, but it looks like they're getting ready, like the whole camping, glamping thing. So that's really cool. This is the same theme, obviously just a different variation. I do not know what the variation of this is, but I do know that the weight on this one is 1.6 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and run right through everything and give you guys the price points off, not off the card, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, first thing we have here, we have a palette by Ciate London. This is the Editor Palette New England. The packaging is really, really pretty. Obviously, probably blinding you guys, but it's super pretty. I did see this one online already, although I really, really like the colors. I think I'm also, the packaging is actually harder than it seems in the picture, but I think that I'm actually going to put this one in the giveaway. So once again, I will not be swatching. If I can find a picture for you guys, I will gladly share it up somewhere up here. If I can't, then I'm sorry. It has a huge mirror, so I'm going to try not to blind you guys again, but this is what the color looks like. The colors are really, really pretty. Basically, it's an 18-piece eyeshadow palette, and it has like a little bit of mix of some mattes, some shimmers. It's actually really pretty. I kind of sort of want to keep it, but I'm gonna throw that one in the giveaway as well. And I did say this one retails at 32 bucks, so it's really cute. Next thing we have here, which I'm super excited about. I had no idea this was coming in this one. This is the Fenty by Rihanna Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. This is what the packaging looks like. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the KKW one that she has. I've never used it, but I've actually seen it. This is what the packaging looks like. And you just kind of pop it off. And like that, you go like that. So you can either use it for contour here, or for concealer down here, or for contour, which is actually pretty nice. This one retails at $24. Moving on, we have something here by the brand Dermalect. This one retails at $49. Okay, so this is an XL lash volumizer. It basically says that it's for eyelashes, and you can even use it for your eyebrows, basically to help it grow. It's supposed to transform your lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger, and conditions them and gives them coverage, and it just says it's excellent for eyebrows as well. It kind of, based off what it's claiming, it reminds me of the Grande. I know the Grande brand has one like that as well. It's more like a serum. This is what the packaging on this one looks like. I guess looks like a mascara, but it's obviously not. That's what it looks like. It has like a little clear serum on it. Doesn't really have any particular smell, but I guess you put this on like at the end of the night. You can put it on your eyebrows and eyelash, and it's supposed to help them grow, help them be volumized, help condition them. So that's a really cool thing to do, to have in there, that I have never seen in one of the BoxyCharms before. Moving forward, we have something by Milk Makeup. This one retails at $32, and it is an eyeliner, long wear gel eyeliner. This one is in the shade BCC. Okay, so this is pretty. Also kind of small and matte. It's a nice like white packaging. Oh, cool. So on this side, I don't know if you can see it. It looks like a little smudger. So basically, I haven't seen this in a little while. You use one side for the liner, and if you want to smudge it out, you use that kind of to smudge it out, obviously. Oh, okay. So this is like a khaki, like a tan color. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me go ahead and swatch this. Oh, it's like a nude. You're probably not even going to be able to see it. I did it right up there. I've never really owned, actually, you know what, I'm lying. I do have some like this, but I never use them on the top of my lid. I actually put them underneath because I feel like it does help open up your eyes a little bit. I tend to have like smaller eyes, or I don't know, they're smaller. So it's nice to put them on the waterline to kind of make them open up a little bit more. So that's cool. I like that they send like a different color eyeliner, not your usual black or brown. Okay, next we have something here by MAC Cosmetics. This is a satin lipstick in the color Mocha, number 813. This one retails at $19. The packaging is your typical MAC packaging. This looks like they're definitely starting to send out the whole vibe for the fall, because the colors are no longer like your pinks and your brights. Okay, this is pretty actually. Not mad at it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my lips to see if it actually makes a difference on top, because I'm just wearing like a lip oil from ColourPop right now, so give me 1 second. Alright, so it did darken them up a little bit. Like I said, it did have an oil on, but I really like the shade. I think like I said, it looks like the fall is kind of like nude with a little pink in it. Just a fall color that I know I definitely will use. So I really like that one. And last but not least, in the box, I've never tried this brand. I did pick this one as my choice, and this is by the brand Ole Henriksen, and this is the Banana Bright Primer. I really wanted to try this on camera today, but okay, I didn't try it on the camera today because, like I said, I already had makeup and I decided to do the two differences of the boxes. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually super cute. This one does retail at $38. This one claims, let's see, it says basically that it targets visible signs of aging for a brighter, healthier looking complexion. I've heard really good things about this brand, and this is the actual first product that I own. So I'm pretty excited about trying it. It says that it's a banana powder that has a luminizing makeup primer that contains vitamin C, brightening pigments, and soft powders to instantly illuminate the entire complexion. Damn, I really wish I would have been trying this right now. But I will swatch it just to see. The packaging is actually cute. It's a little pump, which I really like. It smells pretty good. It smells nice and clean, and it almost looks like it has a little tint. I thought it was going to be your typical serum or your typical white moisturizer, but it's actually not. It has, let me just go ahead and, I don't know, rub it in just to see what it feels like on the skin. Okay, yeah, it just feels like a moisturizer, and it almost has like a little orange hint to it. Yeah, something citrusy. So I'm not mad at it at all. I really want to try it because I've heard good things and I'm excited. So I went ahead and I added everything up already when I was looking for that card. And this one, the whole box of this one totals to $194. Okay, let me just go ahead and run through these really quick, let you guys know for 1 to 6, because this one had 6 products, to let you guys know which one is the favorite one that I actually like. So number 1, I would definitely have to go with the little Fenty one. I think this is nice. You can put it in your purse, nice and portable. It feels nice and soft, and I do like all her products. Number 2, I'm definitely feeling this already. I just feel citrusy, it feels clean. I like what it claims, and like I said, I have heard good things about it. Next, we're moving on to the MAC lipstick. I usually don't really wear a lot of MAC lipsticks, but I do like this color. I just think it's nice for the fall and even like the end of summer. I just think it'd be really pretty. Okay, moving on. I do love the palette. I gotta say, the palette is really pretty. I just feel like, why not share the wealth? I already have enough palettes, so I'm gonna put that in the thing for you guys. Next, I would definitely go with the Milk Makeup eyeliner. I sort of kind of wish it was a different shade, but at the same time, I'm not mad at it because it is something different. And last, I would do the serum. Only reason why I think that's the last is not because I think it's bad, because I actually heard good things about it and I think it's going to work very nicely. But I already have the Grande one, which I use on a regular basis, so I feel like I really don't need it as much. But I do want to give it a shot, which is why I'm going to be keeping it. So overall, the differences of the box, honestly, I do gravitate towards the premium box. I feel like you're getting more bang for your buck. You're paid $35 a month for the premium box, so it's really only $10 difference. And this one is actually one of the cheaper total boxes, because sometimes, and usually for me, they're usually over $200. But this one, like I said, is $194. I overall like the products on this one better. I feel like the base box could have been better, but like I did say, it is $25 and you're still getting $150 worth of products. So I guess it's really up to you. You can like look at the differences. I personally still considering getting rid of the base box, and the only reason that I won't is because I do not want to miss out on Boxy Lux, which is the upgrade that they do every 3 months, and usually I actually love Boxy Lux the most. So I don't want to have to get this, you know, take off the base box and then add it and have to go back and forth every time the Boxy Lux is offered. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Let me know what you guys think I should do. And also let me know what you guys think about the boxes, the products. Which one do you guys like best? Which one do you guys have? Let me know. Give me input. Give me suggestions. Thank you guys so much for everything, for the love, for support. Don't forget to subscribe, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will link my little thing down below. Muchísimas gracias, and I hope you guys stay blessed and healthy. Ciao.